After seeing Luke eat beef stroganoff at 9:30 in the morning.
Well, look at my computer background. Ready? Stroganoff. I love the stroganoff. It's the best. Blackout Tinting Gibsonia. This is Luke. How can I help you? Yeah, sure. What's the year, make, and model of the vehicle?
What am I doing here?
Yeah.
I'm doing some tit stuff.
Aren't you in LATROBE normally?
I am in LATROBE normally.
Why are you here?
Duty called.
What's up, dude?
Look at that boo-boo hand. What happened there, dude?
Got cut up, man.
Doing what?
Pulling PPF off and got a tint cut.
Oh, man.
Don't want to be bleeding on the customer cars.
That's right.
I don't know what to do.
Now how good are you?
I'm not perfect, I'm better. I'm not like, what's the guy's name, Matthew McConaughey? I'm not like him, but, I'm not like this guy either. Brought my notes.
You brought your cue cards?
Mm-hmm.
Said we're ahead of schedule. Feeling good today. We're gonna lay some film on a Corvette. Move that along this week, and then of course to finish off the week, all full reps.
That one? Dude, that thing, the bearings are like almost shot.
Oh really?
That is not an Advil, by the way.
Do you have a hangover?
Heartburn.
What are you working with there?
A buffer. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. I have an idea of how it's probably pronounced, but I'm not gonna. You'd probably have to bleep it out. Coke, or is that?
I think it's Coach Kimmy.
I don't know about that. When I was in college,
Hey, Luke. How do you say that?
Coach Kemmy.
Okay.
Coach Kimmy. Okay.
Why?
Because he didn't want to say.
Busy day here at Blackout.
On this episode of Inside Blackout.
Hello, my name is Ian, and welcome to Behind the Scenes of Blackout.
What's this getting?
Full wrap, bulk wrap, half bulk.
What you cutting out?
Mirrors and a bumper for the Audi A5 Sportback behind me.
You like the Pirates?
They're all right.
Name 5 players.
They're all gonna be old players.
Okay.
Sterling Marte. I think there was a guy named Nathan Cloud, Andrew McCutcheon.
Isn't he back on there?
He's back. 1-year deal. That Clemente guy. That was 5.
What are we learning?
Slip knot. Start straight, and then you give it a twist, and then you're gonna take that twist and you're gonna loop it back around. Then you're gonna go around as many times as you please, and then through that hole. Now this moves. Put this in there, and it slips like a knot.
You almost have to get to the bottom of the finger and get it to relax more. Because if you just keep coming down, it may want to crease more. If you come behind it,
You take the mozzarella sticks, you put them on the thing, steak seasoning. No, like steak seasoning, like the stuff that you shake on.
Like Montreal steak seasoning?
Yep, Montreal steak seasoning. Put that on your mozzarella sticks. Amazing.
What
What's the color? Green or gray?
Gotta go.
Good, we got some donors. Some stir fry and pasta salad.
Bro, can we please go to Sheets?
Yeah!